it's the Alyssa and Gotti show. So today we're gonna be making something. Sit. It's Sunday. Here. Sit. Jesus, Gotti. Can you sit? Sit. Good boy. Okay. So today from TJ Maxx, I got this Paw Print Ornament. So basically, we're gonna make his paw print to put on the tree. Let me take a picture first. Wait a minute. You're silly. Hey! It's not a toy, silly. That's my phone. Alright, I gotta read the directions, sweetie. Alright, here, do not foil back until ready. Need impression for approximately 1 minute. It should be a clean, smooth consistency. Place the impression on a piece below it for you. Okay, come, we gotta do this, sir. Alright, so it says that we need to place the, back it up. We need to place this on foil and knead it. Baby, stop that. Okay. So, Gotti is not happy. He thinks it is food. It is not. Alright. It should be a clean, smooth consistency. I'm gonna roll it a little bit. I think I have a roller up here. Honestly, I don't know. I don't want it thin, but yeah. I'm gonna roll it and then roll it out. Well, not roll it out, but Gotti has a big paw, so like, and I don't want it like to the, how do they do it like this? Kind of box. It's a bone shape, but it basically says, I guess once it dries, then hey, once it dries, then you can shape it, I guess. I think my rolling pin's downstairs. Okay, so we got our rolling pin. Watch it. Okay. Now, let's see. Hey y'all, so right now, it's later on in the day, so as you can see, I washed my hair, I put my wig on, So basically right now, I'm doing Instacart. Well, yeah, I think it's called Instacart. Yeah, I'm doing Instacart for a little bit, because sometimes, like, especially with the holiday season, I do like DoorDash and Instacart, like, occasionally. So I was just like in a bad mood or whatever, so I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna come do Instacart for a little bit. So right now I'm doing that, and then I'm gonna link up with my friend, and yeah, I don't know. Period. Who that?
What the fuck?
Who's you?
Hi guys.
It's V Nelly. Period. We gotta put V Nelly on the gram. Let's make a boomerang. Wait, where are my filters? Why don't I got my filters? I don't know my shit. It's gonna be acting stupid sometimes. What are we gonna talk about?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What you wanna talk about?
Let's like talk about something.
You got a PSA for those viewers?
Don't go to Somerset restaurant. They piss me off. They piss me off.
What they do, Janelle? Tell the camera.
Bro, they don't even make fresh food anymore. Like, the fuck? They just got the food out.
Yeah, so... Yeah, she said don't go there no more. Okay, guys?
Don't go there.
Anything else for the PSA?
Don't go there. Go to Three Corners, a better variety.
Not the freaking food. Shut up. No, but seriously, why is my filter's not loading? I'm trying to make a boomerang. Is this Instagram trying to tell me I don't need one? No, I need one. No, but like, what the fuck is wrong with my Instagram? My filter's really not loading. What do you want for Christmas, Janelle? What do you want Santa to bring you?
I want Santa to bring me 500 acres of land.
What? And what you gonna do with that land?
With that land, I'm gonna build my dream house.
Mm-hmm.
And also, I'm gonna build a mall.
Ooh, a mall.
Please,
Finally got my fucking filters. You
save
like
it though. I like it.
Okay.
I like it, but save it and don't do it.
Okay. Period. This is the process that we take to get a boomerang. You like it? Okay, I'll post this one. Period. Okay.
Team no babies.
What?
Team no babies.
Because literally, I'm just glad I ended 2020 without a baby. Because so many people had a baby in 2020.
Right.
Like, that's crazy.
So long.
I can't wait for 2020 to end.
My baby daddy gotta be like my baby daddy's first.
Yeah, I definitely agree. Like, I don't want to have a baby with somebody who already got kids.
Yeah.
Because then it'd just be like, it'd be too much drama and stuff. Like, no.
No, keep that nigga.
Yeah. And I just feel like right now, I couldn't have a baby because, like, I ain't stable with none of these niggas. So, like, then it's just gonna be like, my baby daddy gonna be stressing me out. And then I'm gonna just wanna fight him and stuff.
Yeah, I can't do it. I'm gonna kill my nigga.
Like, people be...
The baby gonna have no mom.
People be like arguing with their baby daddies and stuff. Like, I couldn't do that because I'm gonna just punch him in his face.
Ew, first of all, I don't even like to argue with niggas.
I do.
Of course.
I do. I like to tell them all. And I like to tell them, like, who do you think you're talking to?
Oh, yeah, that's a definite. You will get kicked out your own car.
Yeah, like, I'll slap you and all that stuff. Like, I say I slap them, but I don't really slap them, though. But I'll be like, oh my god, you're making me mad. I'm about to slap you right now. Ooh, my birth control on.
You know when, like, somebody just say some bullshit? It's like, what the fuck's like...
It's like, oh my god, why would you even say that? Like, shut up.
Yo.
What? You're funny. She said, yo. The hell?
This is so cute. So it's like a tablet?
Yeah, like, it's like attached. What is this again? It's like a, whatchamacallit? It's like a touch screen, like, radio system thing. So it's like Bluetooth. And then, like, you could watch, like, it has, like, GPS and stuff. Like, if you put your hotspot on your phone, it will connect. And then it's, like, you could use the, like, Google Maps and shit. You can even watch Netflix.
It's a whole tablet.
Yeah, like, when my power went out, like, a few weeks ago or a month ago, I came in my car to charge my phone, and then I was watching Netflix on there. It was so funny.
What you was watching?
I was watching, Wentworth back then. You ever watch Wentworth? Yes, you gotta watch it. It's like Orange and the New Black, but better.
Watch it.
Like, you gotta watch
It's
it.
way better. It's way better than
You
Orange is
watched it?
Black. Yeah.
Oh,
Wentworth.
you watched all of the season?
Nah.
You gotta watch all the seasons. That shit get crazy. I finished it all.
I like
Huh?
the girl in the background of the music videos, the one that's blurred out. That's me.
Yeah, they have to be on the phone in the background.
But nah, I definitely saw Wentworth though. That shit good.
Yeah, it's crazy. I haven't really watched. Oh, I started this new show on Netflix called Ozark. You
Oh,
ever
that's
heard
a
of that?
good show.
I just started that. That shit is crazy too. I like shows like that.
Nah, fucking How to Get Away with Murder.
Oh, I haven't watched that yet.
You fucking.
I heard people say that was good though.
I watched the whole thing.
I might have to watch it.
The whole thing.
But see, I'm that type of person. Like, I won't watch on Netflix. I won't watch more than one series at a time. Like, I'll just watch the one series and just binge watch it. And then once I finish it, then I'll start a new series.
I have a short attention span, so I never get too far.
You're funny.
I'm a movie type of chick. Even though I love to watch TV shows, I just can never get with it.
I barely watch TV anymore. Ow!
Time.
No, but I just had a cramp. I love the filters where they change my eye color because it be really making me want to get color context. But that is so 2009.
Yo, I deadass feel like the filters be making me look so different. Like those type of filters, the one with the makeup on the face.
Yeah, I don't like the ones that it be putting mascara on you and liquid liner because I feel like that look too fake. I just like the ones that change my eye color.
That should be looking crazy. On me at least, because I be looking at other girls and be looking
Ew, I'm about to end this. Oh my god.
this.
Okay, say bye. Tell them to follow you.
Bye. Follow me. Don't follow me, bitch.
Say your Instagram.
At the Nelly with 2 Y's at the end.
Period. Follow her right now.